right, we're back. It's Sunday. Bobby came on a Sunday. Finished up this firewall. It's finished?
Yeah, I mean,
pretty much?
Yeah.
So, want to explain what you did today?
I took off the bolts, ordered a cage nut inside, made a template for this
Cover?
and installed it.
7/16 cage nut.
Mm-hmm.
You got bolts in there right now?
Yeah.
The long bolts, it hit? Or it's just lined up?
I just put it.
Yeah.
It's a everybody gonna look at my ugly now.
Yeah, man. So actually we can offer these little covers there with the 61, 62 firewalls now. It's a one-piece firewall. Got a hole there in case you want to run some stereo stuff. All one piece. The engine harness wiring is going to drop down from underneath here and come over the transmission tunnel like we did on the 60. That's a CPP steering.
I think I did it.
I did it? Yeah, I think it is I did it. Steering ball. We got that. We test fit that a while back. Brake booster inside the car. Fuse bulkhead's going to be in the kick panel. Wires are going to come out this hole. May shrink that hole a little bit.
Make it smaller.
Make that hole smaller. And that's it, man. A one-piece firewall. I've had a lot of people ask if I can, sell the one piece. Unfortunately, it's too big and flimsy for shipping. It would get damaged. But yeah, man. So firewall's done. Shave this lip here.
Yeah.
That's ready for some body work. It's gonna look good, man. Wiper delete.
Yeah, no wiper.
No wipers. Yeah, man. On a Sunday. I guess next up is gonna be roof rail.
Yep.
Both sides. I didn't know this. Did you just do this today?
No.
Huh? That's gonna be fun.
Stop messing with it.
Actually, this side ain't as bad as the other side, huh? Underneath.
Pretty bad.
Pretty bad? Yeah, man. Looks like crap right now. Finish that off a little bit. Front gaps look good. Everything looks good, man. Moving right along. Short update for this video here. Firewall's done. One-piece firewall. It's gonna have the LS engine and a 4L60. No floor pan modification needed. Yeah, buddy. Hope you guys enjoyed this update. We'll bring you guys back once we start on the roof rails.